CPU coolers in 2026 are doing a lot more than just keeping temps down. They're quieter, smarter, and way easier to install. Whether you're gaming, rendering, or building a clean-looking PC, these coolers stand out in real-world use. The DeepCool AK700 Digital is the kind of cooler that instantly makes your build feel premium. Users love the digital display right on the top. It shows real-time CPU temperature, which sounds like a gimmick until you actually use it. Not needing to open software just to check temps is genuinely convenient, especially during gaming or stress testing. Cooling performance is excellent for an air cooler. People running high-end CPUs report stable temperatures even under heavy loads, and the fan stays impressively quiet when tuned properly. Installation is straightforward, and the build quality feels solid and heavy, in a good way. If you want top-tier air cooling with a modern, techie touch, this one feels both powerful and polished. The Sudokoo SK620V is designed specifically with AM5 users in mind, and it shows. AMD builders appreciate that it's optimized for the platform, which helps with both compatibility and performance. The dual-tower design paired with 6 heat pipes gives it serious cooling capability, even for demanding Ryzen CPUs. The digital display is another highlight here, similar to the AK700, and users enjoy having quick visual feedback on CPU temps. The 120mm FDB PWM fans are frequently praised for being quiet, while still pushing good airflow. Installation is also smoother than expected thanks to the quick lock mounting system. If you're on AM5 and want a strong air cooler with a modern look, this one feels purpose-built. The PCCOOLER CPSRZ400 is often described as a no-nonsense performer. It doesn't try to be flashy, but it focuses hard on raw cooling power. Users running mid to high-end CPUs say it handles heavy workloads surprisingly well, especially considering its price point. With 4 heat pipes and a fan capable of reaching higher RPMs, it can move a lot of air when needed. Yes, it can get a bit louder at full speed, but most users tweak fan curves and find a comfortable balance between noise and performance. Compatibility is another strong point. It supports a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, making it a safe pick for many builds. If you want solid cooling without paying premium prices, this cooler punches above its weight. The Esports ICE-C612 V2 is all about flexibility and looks. One of the biggest things users mention is how many sockets it supports. It works with almost everything, which is great if you upgrade CPUs often or build for others. Cooling performance is respectable for gaming and everyday workloads, and the ARGB lighting adds visual flair without being overwhelming. Builders like how easy it is to sync the lighting with the rest of their setup. It's not meant for extreme overclocking, but for gamers who want decent temps, wide compatibility, and some RGB personality, it does the job reliably. Cooler Master's Hyper series has always been popular, and the Hyper 620 SAR-GB feels like a modern evolution of that legacy. Real users often describe it as balanced, great cooling, reasonable noise levels, and a clean design. The dual 120mm fan setup and 6 nickel-plated heat pipes handle demanding CPUs well, and the included cryo-fused thermal paste is a nice bonus that builders appreciate. Installation is smooth even for first-time builders, and compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD sockets makes it future-friendly. If you want a trusted brand with strong performance and tasteful RGB, this cooler is a very safe and satisfying choice. A good CPU cooler makes your entire system feel better. Cooler temps, quieter fans, and more stable performance. Whether you want digital displays, RGB style, or pure airflow, these 2026 options have you covered. Check the description for product links.